The next Victorian prose writer is Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold is born in the year 1822 and his father is Thomas Arnold. He is a headmaster of rugby. RUGBY, rugby. So Thomas Arnold is a headmaster of rugby. And Matthew Arnold studied in Oxford and he later became a private secretary to Lord Lansdowne, that is LANSDOWNE, Lansdowne. And later, during the period 1855 to 57, he worked as lay inspector of schools. So, nearly 2 years he was a lay inspector of schools. And in the year 1883 and 1886, he made lecturing tours in America. So he made some lecturing tours in America during 1883 and 1886. And he died in the year 1888. Okay. Now we'll discuss 4 poetry of Matthew Arnold and 7 prose works of Matthew Arnold. So the 4 works, let us discuss one by one. The first one is Empedocles on Etna. Empedocles on Etna is a dramatic poem which talks about the story of death of the Greek philosopher called Empedocles. Empedocles, the spelling is EMPEDOCLES. So here he talks about the death of Greek philosopher called Empedocles. Okay, and the next work is Sohrab and Rustum. Sohrab and Rustum. SOHRAB, Sohrab, and RUSTAM, Rustum. Sohrab and Rustum. Sohrab and Rustum is a narrative poem written by Matthew Arnold, and here it talks about the relationship between a father and a son. So here Rustum is the father and Sohrab is the son of Rustum. And Sohrab and Rustum are separated from each other while Sohrab is a very small child, and both started searching for each other, and at last Sohrab became a great warrior and Rustum became a chief leader of a Persian army, and Sohrab became a warrior in Tartar army. So both Tartars and Persians are fighting each other, and Sohrab was killed by Rustum himself. And at the end, Rustum came to know about the death of his own son by his hand. The next work is Balder Dead. Balder Dead. Balder is the son of Odin. Odin is a Greek figure, mythological figure. And Balder is the son of Odin who is murdered. So this particular poem talks about the death of Balder who is murdered. Okay. The next poem is Tristram and Isolde. Tristram and Isolde is also a poem written by Matthew Arnold. So now we will discuss about the prose work of Matthew Arnold. So the prose work of Matthew Arnold falls into 2 categories. Like John Ruskin also. John Ruskin also, his works is also divided into 2. That is one which is based on art and another which is based on political and social and ethical teachings. Right? Here it is falling into 2 categories. The one is which deals with literature, another which deals with criticism of life. Okay. The works which falls under this literature category are essays in criticism, which contains 2 volumes. It is published from the year in the year 1865 and 1888. 1888 is the year of Matthew Arnold's death. And the second work is Mixed Essays, that is published in the year 1899 after his death. And Oxford Lectures, the next work is Oxford Lectures on Translating Homer, that is published in the year 1861 and 1862. Okay, so the three works comes under literature are Essays and Criticism, Mixed Essays, Oxford Lectures on Translating Homer. So note it, Arnold has also translated Homer's work. The next category, that is criticism of life. Under this you have four works, that is Culture and Anarchy, Friendship's Garland, Literature and Dogma, and God and the Bible. So four works are Culture and Anarchy, Friendship's Garland, Literature and God and the Bible. So you can note it, three works start with Culture and Anarchy, Literature and Dogma, God and the Bible, or coming with. So we have discussed four works, that is poetry works, and 7 prose works of Matthew Arnold. Students, keep on studying. You can use this holidays in a useful way. Stay at home and stay safe. God bless you all.